Apritada! Doon ang pagkain.
Mic check, mic check, mic check, mic check, 7. Mic check,
Wow!
mic check. Mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check.
Ay, sorry. Hi, Jill! Andun lang, nakaupo lang siya, ang tahimik niya.
Pero hindi siya nagpapalo?
Silipin mo sa gate. Hindi. Ang bait nga, nakagano'n lang, nakatingin. Kasi nagsiset up eh. Babe siya, babe.
Adult in 1 year. Tell them to register here. Don't move the table.
Write your name, address, signature, and your favorite color. Favorite food. Your hobbies.
Are they on
This is all kids.
all of them?
Yeah, this is the father, and then this is all the kids. Asa na si Hana baby? Where's Hana baby?
Yung mga kasama mo.
Sa taas.
Ang gusto mo, ano yan?
Bakit ang tagal nila nila Maricel? Ano nangyari?
Kumakain.
Kain pa rin hanggang ngayon.
Gagawa nila.
Nako, mga nire-request pa yun. Mukhang pang matagalan talaga itong mga to ah. Registering your name is very important kasi meron tayong raffle. So, if your name is not there, you're not gonna have a chance to win 1,000 pesos. 1 million pesos.
My name's a better boyfriend. Wait, get pens. Pens? Yeah. Oh God.
Mic check, 7.